How to find cheapest prescription with GoodRx. First of all, go ahead and launch the application or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to the official GoodRx website. Once you're here, proceed to log into your account by simply tapping on this profile icon or human-like icon on the top right corner. Once you log in, you simply have to now match your prescription. Type the medication name into the GoodRx search bar, which is at the top. Once you type in your medication name, adjust the parameters. Once you search it up, you simply have to open the drop-down menu and then select the quantity and also doses. Then switch between the generic version and the brand name equivalent to see which option offers deeper discounts. And also try comparing local pharmacies and locations. Set your location, enter your zip code of your city and compare the listings. Also check the manufacturer coupons and choose the optimal supply strategy. Request 90-day supplies. Compare the unit price of the 30-day supply against the 90 supply because the filling a larger volume frequently reduces the cost per pill. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.